friends, welcome back to the channel. I am going to do my third video in the past week. You have seen one at this point, a ThredUP unboxing, and I did a chaser unboxing from B&G Trading, which I'll get posted. This is my second box from the ThredUP outlet, so I just unsealed it here, so I haven't seen anything. This particular box, I did a lot of assorted brands, so it's going to be another neat mystery unboxing. So here is the box, and there's the contents. So I'm gonna just set it down here, and so you'll see me reaching over just a bit. Okay, first item, I saw this and I just thought it was really cool. This time what I did was I sorted in the outlet by fabrics, and I knew I was gonna get quite a few different things, but this I saw and I just thought it was just the cutest thing ever. So here's the label, and it's NEVE. The label looks nice. The quality of this sweater is incredible. And this is 80% lamb's wool, 90% nylon. Dry, clean, or hand wash, cold, lay flat to dry. I don't see an RN number, so I'll just have to do a little bit more research on this, but it is absolutely beautiful. It is listed as an extra small, but it's got some nice nice size to it, I would say. So this is absolutely beautiful, so I can't wait to find out what it is. Next up in the box is a nice little camp shirt from Chico's. So this is a size 1. It is rayon and silk. So this would have been one of my searches for silk for the fabric. And this is a super pretty top. It's got a little kind of pocket detail right there on the sleeve. Super cute. I would say excellent condition on this. Usually I will only purchase if it is new with tags or like new. So I do a lot of sorting by condition as well. Next up is a little hat. I looked at a lot of accessories too. There's a picture of a turtle on the tag there. And this is made in Mexico, 100% wool. And then the lining is acrylic. This is really soft. So super cute little hat. Excited to find out more on that. Next up, I have got a little skirt from Liverpool. And I think there's 2 of them in this, and I think they might be the same size, but it's a size 4 or 27. And it does have just this tag included. So still new with tag. And then this is it's like a black and almost like a pink checker. Fake pockets in the back. And the only pocket that is somewhat real is this teeny tiny little pocket here that's not really a pocket, but super cute little pencil skirt. And I think there might be 2 in this box of that. Next up, this is by Giada. It's a little, kind of a little taupe and white striped little polo. I have no idea on this brand. This is 100% balm wool. So wool again. This looks to be possibly from Germany. Super cute little top, and it's real soft. So if that's wool, it's a really soft wool. Next up, this feels like silk. So don't be afraid if you're in the did I say Goodwill? ThredUP outlet. Don't be afraid to search for the fabric. This little top is by Plenty, and it is a size 2, and it is 100% silk. So this would have been, and forgive me if I don't have it quite in the shape that it's supposed to be here, because I think everything about what I'm doing is wrong. But it's got a little under the lining is a polka dot, and then the overlay is just this beautiful little blouse. Okay, so that one is silk. Next up, this is by Dia, D-I-A. And it's got kind of a cool little fringy neckline there. It's like an orange kind of color. Let's hold it up there. Let's get the fabric here. This is a size small, made in the USA, 76% wool, 19% rayon, and 5% polyamide. It's cardigan, so it's got the buttons down the front, and they blend right in with the fabric color, so that's super cute. I think one of the really neat things about using ThredUP is exposure to brands that you've never heard of. So that is definitely a brand that I haven't heard of. All right, next we've got, this is Bricks and Ivy. So there's the label. And this did not come zipped up, which is fine. Hopefully the zipper works. It's a little tough, so we'll have to, I think there's just a little fabric stuck there. Cute little blue dress. It's got the lace detail on the top, and it's a zipper closure there. Let's take a look at the fabric on this one. It is lined. Hand wash cold, tumble dry low. And this is, let's see, polyester, rayon, cotton. Oh, and there's some spandex in it too, so it's got a nice little stretch to it. So once again, Bricks and Ivy, little blue dress. Okay, next up, this is, this tag, I can never remember what it says. So I'll have to look that up. This is just a cute little hoodie. like a burnout blue with the white strings there. This is a small, and it's polyester, cotton, and linen. So this would have been a little bit of linen that I was searching for. This is super, super soft. So that's great. Next up, this is a little bit wild, and it smells vintage, or like, I don't know, old lady laundry detergent or perfume. This is by Misook, and it is I think it's open front cardigan, pink, black, white. I think I got this more for just the the look. I just thought that would photograph really well, but the smell is bad. This is a large, acrylic and polyester. So I'm not sure how I came across this one, but definitely a perfumey smell on this one. So whoever sent that in, I don't think washed it. So, oh, and here is, let's see, I must not have had a second skirt. This is an extra small pair of gray leggings without, oh, here we go. I'm not sure on these. They're super cute and they're great quality. So I'll have to see what these are and why I got them. Like I said, an extra small. Looks like they're made in Cambodia. I don't see a logo on them. So these might have been one of my little surprises. But this does look like the RN is the 66170. So I will just have to see if I can identify that. It's rayon, nylon, and spandex. So anyway, a cute little pair of gray leggings. Really good quality on those. So get all those listed. And that is it for ThredUP's latest outlet box. So some really neat treasures along the way with that one. Definitely you're going to have surprises along the way, especially if you venture out and get some of the assorted brands or the unbranded things. Nice, almost like a mystery box. But once again, that ThredUP outlet, you're going to see after you've had, they say 2 regular price purchases in the ThredUP app, and then they send an email out to you. Look at their Street Savvy on the TV behind me. So you will have an invite that'll tell you that you've welcomed the outlet section, and then on my app, it's one of the top things that you can scroll on the top of the app. So it's one of those categories, and then you can go in and select, women's, kids. There's like 4 different areas of the outlet. You can search by brand, you can search by size, fabric, you can sort by newest in, price, high to low, low to high. Just all kinds of ways to search in there, but keep an open mind. You never know what you'll find. And thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I'm just coming back to YouTube after kind of being gone for a while. And I am a part-time reseller. I sell mostly on Pishmark and eBay, some here and there on Mercari. and but mostly Posh and eBay are my two main platforms. I'll also sell on Facebook here and there, but I am very part-time. I have over 1,000 active listings in both Posh and eBay, so I've been selling on eBay since 1999, but took some time off from there. So check everything out, and I'll leave a code for ThredUP below too. I've got to get my description updated, so I'm looking forward to chatting with you all more. Thanks. Bye-bye.